Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Let's see here, it should fit a little better in there. Yeah. I'm just gonna finish up this coin real quick, and then we'll get started on the 1970 quarter coin ring. So I just use a little bit of fine steel wool to heighten up the details on my skull and crossbone quarters. This shouldn't take me too long, and we'll get started on making a coin ring. If you guys have never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings. If you'd like to check out some of my work, there's a little gold chain at the bottom of the screen. You can also shop through the link in my profile. And one of my most popular coin rings is state quarter coin rings, which I have in copper clad and 90% silver. Got them in all 50 states. So if you'd like to get something like that, head over to coinringmaker.com. I also make these skull and crossbone quarters. The Morgan came out amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, you've got me considering dabbling a bit more in antiquing. It's just so nice. Details really pop. It looks really good. Yeah. So I will ship this out to you today. I have been a little delayed on that. I have a lot of catching up to do from the October clearance sale. We had quite a few orders come in at the last minute with that. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Give me just a second to grab our next coin, and we'll get started. How's it going? Good morning. Let's see. You want a ring? Visit coinringmaker.com. You can also tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen or the website link on my profile. All right, guys, we only have one like on this live, so let's tap that screen just a little bit, couple times. That'd be good. Let's see here. We need a 1970. Perfect. This is gonna be a size 12. It's a pretty good size to get out of a quarter, but we're gonna give it a go. First thing we gotta do is pop a hole in it. So zoom out a bit here, get my punching block. There we go. Then we need that bad boy. Lay our coin down, twist it down. A 1988 silver dollar. That would be kind of tricky. Just because of the date, it's a bit difficult to find. 1988. That's silver. I do have one thing. Let me pull it out for you real quick. So this is the only silver coin from 1988 that I have found. This is produced by the United States Mint, and it is $1. Pull it out for you here. It's got a really nice case, but it is to commemorate the Olympics. Man, that is in there pretty good. This is an old coin right here. This is as old as I am. But because of where I will be punching the hole through the coin, there's a little preview of it right there. You can see we'll still get 1988 on the ring. So this is the best I have for this right now. And since this is a bit of a rarer coin to track down, usually the 90% silver are 200. That's what I charge for Peace and Morgan. I think I would have to charge 250 for this, just because it is a little bit more of a tricky coin to track down. But it would make a great ring. You can see all this detail around the outside. You've got 88 here, and I'm pretty sure it is 90% silver. Let's check the COA here. Yeah, it's going to be 90% silver. Yeah, 90% silver. There we go. Send you an invoice. I'll tell you what, I'm going to follow you and take a screenshot, and I will be adding this to my website as soon as this live is over. So as soon as I finish this quarter coin ring, I will go and add this. So it will be on coinringmaker.com under 90% silver dollars within the next hour. What size do you need? Just curious. I think this is really cool. I'm glad I got this. I've held on to this for about 2 years because I was born in 88. So I wanted to, honestly, I was going to make this for myself, but size 12, yeah, we can totally do that. So as soon as I finish this quarter, all right, tell you what, I'm going to hop off of here. I'll add it to the site so you can go order it, and then I'll come back and start this quarter if that's good with you. If you'd like to send me a coin to be made into a ring, I have a button on my TikTok profile. Just tap this up here. It says get a quote, and just tell me about the coin you want me to work on. There's a brief questionnaire there. Just fill that out. Super easy, and I'll get back in touch with you. What's going on, B-Weave? Haven't seen you in forever, man. Are you doing good? Pretty sure you made my wedding ring. I don't think so. I don't work on barbers very much because the ones I can get at the price I like, the detail isn't quite popping. Like if you want a really nice detail barber, the premium on it's pretty high. So I haven't messed with them too much because I'd have to charge quite a bit more for them. I've been doing good, man. I've been doing real good. But I am going to hop off of here real quick and just add this to the website. So our friend here, Daldo, that's funny. Hey, how's it going, guys? I will be right back. Give me 3 minutes or so to add this to the website, and I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. Bye. I'll see y'all in about 3 minutes, okay?